Confident ako na yung doctor na tutulong sa akin is definitely the best. So, I decided po na magpa-opera po at the Riverside Medical Center with good service po. Wala akong worry from the beginning. 2 days lang po ako na nakapag-confine sa hospital, and then pagkatapos ng aking rest and medication, 1 week lang po back to work na po ako.
Routine na surgery nito, whether laparoscopic or open. These are routine procedures that are fairly safe. Your surgeons, your doctors have trained well. They're trained to give you good advice, and they are trained to give you the best healing. Mas matakot ho tayo sa komplikasyon kaysa matakot ho tayo sa mga operasyon. Be wary of the complications. Because if we go down that road, we may never come back from it. That's what's scary about this disease that is easy to treat.
After gallbladder surgery, patients usually live a healthy life. It is one of the most common surgeries done. Patients return to normal, usually within a week after surgery. For those that need to go back to work, they can go back to work within that week.
2 days lang po ako na nakapag-confine sa hospital, and then pagkatapos ng aking rest and medication, 1 week lang po back to work na po ako. Naiisip ko talaga na how long ko talaga dadalhin yung pagsasuffer. Any moment na magti-trigger siya, hindi ko talaga alam if ma-manage ko pa or hindi na. So, thankful ako, nakapag-decide ako, and then sa tulong with my doctors and then with the hospital, right away, okay na po yung condition ko.